around the brim hole in Byron Bay, around little water goes and 30 centimetre mark.
You happy with that one?
Pelicans.
Plant, sort of like Lomandra, but it's got a super thin leaf. It's more of an ornamental one. You can see the flowers forming there.
They're like
I
spikes.
think they
Call that a flower?
flower during the winter and then go to seed during the spring, summer.
30 seconds.
Pelicans.
It's keen. It's so cold. Wow. Yes. Oh, it's awesome. Blackfish.
The blackfish.
Off the size.
Yeah.
It's about 30 centimetre mark.
You happy with that one?
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Ah.
I've been living off them the last few weeks. They're
Yeah.
really nice.
Really nice.
Well
We'll
done.
have to have a crack one of these days.
Yeah.
Do it,
You have to do your apprenticeship first.
yeah. My dad used to catch them around it. I'm from Byron,
Yeah.
born and bred, and yeah, around the Cape. He used to catch them around the brim hole there.
That's right. Yes. Well, I've been getting them off boulders.
Oh yeah, boulders. Yeah.
Yeah. So I live in Lennox, and I've just been getting them off boulders. But I haven't been having much luck the last couple of nights. Yeah. Have a good night.
Change location and boom.
Location. Yeah.
Walking just here out of the wind, Brad. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, the place.
Yeah. One person didn't have any luck, someone else did further up. Oyster shells. That was so funny. So he used, what did he use? Green
weed.
weed, moss.
They call it weed. It's green. Yeah, seaweed that grows all over the rocks when high tide comes in. It's covered normally. Then when the tide goes out, you can go and get the green weed off the rocks because it likes a bit of.
The blackfish like
See
it.
what blackfish looks
Is that
like.
how you knew? Because you saw the green mossy stuff?
Yes, it's all the green moss in the bucket.
Where did you learn that trick from your dad?
Dad used to go at around the Cape, around the brim hole in Byron Bay, around little water goes and get the green weed off the rocks and catch a heap of blackfish.
Look at he's heading home. They're not pelicans.
Oh, the seagulls.
No.
Birds.
Geese? Sure. It was funny how he said, you can't tell people where you get your weed from.
Yeah.
He's making nipples. I thought I was going to keep walking. Pull back. That's good to know, Bonnie, that you pulled me back.